Dear students, how are you? In today's video, we are going to study about organization in living beings. We know that every organism is made up of cells. There are organisms, they are composed of only a single cell like amoeba, paramecium, euglena. There are organisms, they have a number of cells in their body. They are called multicellular organisms. The organisms such as human beings and the higher animals, they are having billions of cells in their bodies. In the organization of living beings, we are going to study from the cells how the body of an organism forms. Students, there are many cells in our body of different shapes, different sizes, performing different functions. We know that there are muscle cells, there are nephrons, there are neurons, there are muscle cells, there are epithelial cells or the skin cells. So there are different cells are present in our body. These cells perform various functions. A human cell is different from a plant cell, or it is different from a paramecium, it is different from a virus. So students, the cells are of varying in shapes, sizes and functions. When the cells, here you can see the animal cell, that is the human cell. In this diagram we can see there is a nucleus. Then there is endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, lysosomes, mitochondria. So all these organelles are present. There is plant cell, it is having a cell wall around the cell membrane. There is green colored chloroplast present in the plant cell. So whether it is an animal or a plant, the cells are different, and plant cells having the distinctive features that separate them from animals. Then students, the cells having similar shape, size and function join to form tissues. The cells that have similar shape, size and function, they join to form tissues. Here 4 examples of tissues are given: connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue and nervous tissue. Connective tissue that connects various organs, parts of the body, like the blood that carry oxygen and nutrients, hormones, enzymes, etc. from one part of the body to other part of the body, or we can say that from one organ to other organs. So it is called a connective tissue. Epithelial tissues form the protective covering of various organs. Muscle tissue made up of muscle cells. This muscle tissue do the function of the movement, they help in movement. When many neurons join together, we call it a nervous tissue. They are performing the function of carrying messages from one part of the body to the other part, like from the brain to organs and also from organs to brain. Then students, the tissues join to form various organs. We know that brain is an organ, heart is an organ, the kidneys are organs, lungs, the bones, liver, the small intestine, the large intestine, stomach, all these are organs. How these organs are made up? They are made up of various tissues. For example, if we take the example of stomach, the stomach is made up of epithelial tissue. There is also nerve tissue coming from the brain. There is the connective tissue, blood cells are there, or they are carrying the nutrients from the stomach to other parts of the body. They provide us the energy suppliers. That means the cells present in the stomach that to do the function of digestion. So there are various types of tissue present in the stomach. Then students, the tissues join to form organs, organs join to form organ systems. For example, the organs such as mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus, they constitute the digestive system. So there are various organs that work together to form an organ system. An organ system perform one or more functions. Examples of organ systems are the circulatory system. The circulatory system pumps blood from the heart to various parts of the body and also take carbon dioxide from various organs and reaches in the heart, and when the heart pumps the blood through the nose, the carbon dioxide goes out of the body. Then students, there is nervous system that carry messages. The brain, spinal cord and nerves are the organs present in the nervous system. There is respiratory system, the lungs and trachea, nose. All these are the organs present in the respiratory system. There is digestive system. We already studied what are the organs present in the digestive system. Then students, there is skeletal system. It is made up of bones. It makes the movement of the body. It produces the blood cells in the bone marrow. And the skeletal system gives shape and strength to our body. It gives support to our body. It protects the internal organs. So every organ system has its own function. They are doing either one function or many functions. Then there are muscular system. Muscles along with the bones make movement possible in the body. There are some special type of muscles present in the heart that creates the heartbeat in the organisms. So students, there are various body systems. When all these systems work together, we know that there is forming the body of the organism. So students, in the organization of living beings, we can say at the end that the cells join to form tissues, the tissues join to form organs, organs join to form organ systems, and various organ systems constitute the body of the organism. The cells join to form tissue, tissues join to form organs, organs join to form organ systems, and organ systems join to form the body of an organism. So students, this is the organization in living beings. Thank you.